Bomb! Information that just arrived direct from the Bruins arena. If you want to know everything firsthand, subscribe to the channel to not miss any Boston Bruins news that we post here. Panthers Gudas on series with Bruins, let's FING go. After winning the 2022 President's Trophy, it took a late-season boost to propel the Florida Panthers into the first round of the Stanley Cup playoff series with the Boston Bruins. The Panthers enter the series as heavy underdogs, but Panthers defenseman Radko Gudas is undeterred by the new President's Trophy winners.
"This is the moment we've been fighting for all year," Gudas told Florida Hockey Now after he and his teammates closed out the regular season with their first regulation loss since March 27 in a 6-4 loss to the Carolina Hurricanes.
"It doesn't matter what happened in the first 82. This is a whole new season. Nothing can happen."
Then the 6-foot, 200-pound veteran rearguard went one step further with confident bravado. Already leave your like on this video, so you don't miss the latest Bruins news here, okay? NHL betting odds have the Boston Bruins as heavy favorites across all NHL betting apps, with DraftKings listing the Bruins as -320 for the series and -195 for Game 1. Look, the Florida Panthers are a versatile and skilled team that have beaten the Boston Bruins twice this season, including a last-minute comeback to a 4-3 run on January 28 in Sunrise, Florida. They also have the NHL's fifth leading man in Matthew Tkachuk, who finished the season with a career-high 109 points with 40 goals and 69 assists in his first season with the Panthers. The Panthers also have another 40-goal scorer in Carter Verhaeghe, who lit the light bulb 42 times. At net, the Panthers were the beneficiaries of a Hamburglar-like run by AHL player Alex Lyon that caught fire just in time just as starter Sergei Bobrovsky fell ill. That's all great for the Florida Panthers, but they're about to come up against the Boston Bruins, who statistically are the best regular season team of all time. Even so, Gudas seemed very confident that he and his teammates can become David and defeat the black and gold Goliath.
"I think we are a confident group that believe we can play anyone," added Gudas.
"The way we played against Boston all season gave us confidence. They're the team they are for a reason, but we're also in the playoffs for a reason. I'm excited for the challenge. If you want to win it all, you have to overcome the biggest hurdle, and that's from the beginning for us."
Now talk to me. What is your opinion?